Hello kids! Good morning or good afternoon. It's me again, teacher Tina. Today is Science 3. So before we start, please get your workbook. So today we have a term test 1 in your workbook. So we will review first before you answer for the term test 1 for this week. So are you ready kids? We will start. So first, please open your workbook page number 1. So page number 1 is our needs to stay alive. So we need number 1 is water, number 2 is food, and number 3 is air. So these 3 is our need to stay alive. So again, water, food, and air. So this is animals need. So we have a three categories. So we have a herbivore, carnivore, omnivore. So again, page number 1. Animals need food. Okay, herbivore, carnivore, omnivore. So herbivore example is giraffe, horse, caterpillar, zebra. Then number 2 is carnivore. So carnivore example is tiger, crocodile, frog, lion. And the next is omnivore. So omnivore is example of omnivore is dog, cat, duck, chicken, monkey. So this is again herbivore, carnivore, omnivore. Herbivore is eat plants only. Carnivore is eats other animals only. Omnivore eat both plants and animals. Okay, page number 3. So, page number 3 is our needs. First is give us energy. So, give us energy is food rich in carbohydrates. Example is rice, potato, bread, noodles. And help us to grow. Help us to grow food rich in proteins. So, rich in proteins is fish, meat, milk, and egg, and cheese. Help us to stay healthy for the beautiful skin. Help us to stay healthy is food contains vitamins and minerals. So, help us to stay healthy is fruits and vegetable or vegetable. Again, give us energy. Help us to grow. Help us to stay healthy. Page number 3. Next. Page number 15. life cycle of animals. So, again, page 15. Life cycles of animals. Number 1 is, always remember the number 1 is egg. Number 2, larva. Number 3, pupa. And number 4, adult butterfly. Life cycle of a chicken. So, number 1 is egg. Number 2, embryo. Number 3, hatchling. Number 4, chick. And number 5, adult chicken. Then, another example is, life cycle of butterfly is egg, larva, pupa, and adult. Life cycle of a frog is number 1, egg, tadpole with hind legs, and adult frog. And also, page number 25 for textbook. Number 1 is eggs. Number 2, tadpole. Number 3 is tadpole with hind legs. Number 4, froglets. And number 5, adult frog. Page 25. Next is page number 17. So, page number 17 is human life cycle. So, number 1 is page 17. Number 1 is infancy. So, infancy is 0 to 2 years old. Number 2 is childhood. Childhood is 3 to 11 years old. For adolescents, 12 to 18 years old. And for adulthood, 19 to 65 years old. And for old age is above 66 years old. Again, this is human life cycle. Number 1, infancy 0 to 2 years old. Number 2, childhood 3 to 11 years old. Number 3 is adolescence 12 to 18 years old. Adulthood is 19 to 65 years old. And for old age is above 66 years old. This is human life cycle. So page 18 is life cycle of a chicken is number 1, egg. Number 2, hatchling. Number 3 is chick. And number 4, adult chicken. Number 4. And for page number 20, page 20. This is stage of life cycle of a frog. Okay, number 1, eggs. Number 2, tadpole. Number 3 is tadpole with hind legs. Number 4, froglets. And number 5, adult frog. That is life cycle of a frog. Page number 20. So, now we will answer term 1 test. Please open your page number 50. page 50. So, workbook page 50, 51, 52, 53. So, letter A, group the animals below into given categories: herbivore, carnivore, omnivore. So, herbivore is 1, 2, 3, carnivore, 1, 2, omnivore, 1, 2. So, rat, owl, giraffe, tiger, chicken, butterfly, and panda. So, which are herbivore, carnivores, omnivores? Letter B. Look at the situation given. State our need to stay alive. So, this is the choices. Food, there is the air, and water. Next, page 51. Page 51. So, letter C, group the food below according to their functions. So, 1, 2, 3, number, for the give us energy. 1, 2, 3, which are give us energy. Number 2 is food that helps our body to repair itself, help us to grow. Which food? Help us to stay healthy, for beautiful skin, and help us to stay healthy. Again, give us energy. Which are the food give us energy? Help, food that helps our body to repair itself or help us to grow. Which food? Help us to stay healthy, for beautiful skin. Page 51. Page 52. Page 52. So this is the choices for the life cycle of a butterfly. Pupa, adult butterfly, larva, eggs. Eggs is finished. So write the number which is number 2, which is number 3, and which is number 4. Write the number here and write their names. Again, pupa, adult butterfly, larva, and eggs. Then, this one, life cycle of a frog. This is the choices. So, which is number 1, which is number 2, number 3 finish, and which is number 4, and which is number 5. So, write their number and their name. Tadpole, eggs, froglets, adult frog, tadpole with hand legs. Tadpole with hand legs is finished. This is number 3. And page number 53. This page number 53 is the choices. Letter E. Name the stages of the human life cycle in the family. So, childhood, adolescence, infancy, old age, adulthood. So this is the choices for letter E. So letter F, this is the answer. Make handicrafts, make bags, and a walkway. So again, letter E, this is the choices. Childhood, adolescence, infancy, old age, adulthood. So I hope you understand and answer the questions. So see you again next week and goodbye. Good luck.